If you want your floor to shake and your neighbors to hate you, you're looking at the right speakers. Today, I'm breaking down the Klipsch RP-8000F Floorstanders. These beasts are a total game changer. We're talking massive sound, iconic looks, and that raw energy Klipsch is famous for. First off, these things are absolute units. You'll want a buddy to help move them because they weigh nearly 60 pounds apiece. But in my world, weight is good. It means the cabinets are solid and won't rattle when the bass hits. I love the ebony finish, and those signature copper woofers just scream power. I pulled the magnetic grills off immediately. Why hide those dual 8-inch Cerametallic woofers? They look mean and they're built to handle a beating. On the back, you've got high-quality dual binding posts. I bi-amped mine to see what they could really do, and the clarity was night and day. If you're serious about your gear, check the description box below for the links to these on Amazon and grab a pair for yourself. Now, let's talk about that horn. The Tractrix Horn on the RP-8000F is the real deal. In the past, some people thought Klipsch was a bit too bright. Not these. The 1-inch titanium vented tweeter is a huge upgrade. It keeps the highs crisp without making your ears bleed after an hour. I've been running everything from classic rock to heavy metal, and the imaging is spot on. You can pinpoint exactly where every instrument is on the stage. The bass response is where these really shine. Those dual 8-inch woofers move a massive amount of air. You get that punchy, chest-thumping low end that usually requires a sub. But here's a pro tip. Give them time. These speakers need a solid 100 hours of break-in. At first, the bass might feel tight, but once they loosen up, they sing. I cranked up some action movies, and the explosions felt like they were happening in the room. They're incredibly efficient, too. You don't need a massive amp to get these things screaming. Placement is key. They have a rear-firing port, so don't shove them right against the wall or the bass will get muddy. Give them about 2 feet of breathing room. I've got mine slightly towed in toward my chair, and the soundstage is massive. It feels like the band is standing right in front of me. If you're building a home theater or just want a killer stereo setup, the RP-8000F is a beast you can't ignore. They're efficient, they're loud, and they look incredible. Don't forget to hit the link in the description for the latest deals on these Klipsch floor-standing speakers Amazon. If this review helped you out, smash that like button and subscribe so you don't miss my next build. Drop a comment below. What's your current setup? I want to hear about your home and what you're planning to upgrade next. Catch you in the next one.